Hi, I'm Megan Marino. I am from Gastonia, North Carolina, which is about 20 to 30 minutes right outside of Charlotte. I am a junior. My major is risk management and insurance. What I plan to do when I graduate, I currently have an internship with ECM Solutions, which is an insurance agency in Charlotte, and a lot of times they will hire their interns, and so I'm really hoping that I get a full-time offer after my internship this summer. If not, my backup plan would probably be to attend the business connections that the business college offers, and try to find a full-time job from there because a lot of people are very successful with that. One thing that I hope to learn from this course is just sort of how the the food industry works. I've worked in food. Everything about nutrition is super interesting to me, and so I really look forward to learning about that. And something that is interesting or unique about me is I was in a horseback riding accident about 5 years ago, and from the accident, I have never regained any nerve function in my right kneecap, so I actually can't feel my right knee. So it's just a little fun fact about me. But thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to working with you guys in this class.